Now we are going to focus on 2010 IMC category 3 papers question number 1. So let's go on. So the question goes like real number PQRST. So there are actually three real numbers, which means they could be positive numbers, negative numbers. That doesn't matter. They are just real numbers. So whatever the numbers that we usually encounter, it could be fractions, it could be square roots. All of the numbers are included when we say real numbers. So real numbers PQR satisfy the equations. So there's a specific equation, like it's actually two pairs of equations. So the first equation goes like P plus Q plus R is equal to 26. The next equation goes like 1 over P plus 1 over Q plus 1 over R is equal to 31. So there are two equations and these real numbers are satisfying these equations. And the question goes like, if it is satisfied, so they are asking us to calculate the value or the expression that was given here. So the expression that was given, you could observe it's P over Q plus Q over R plus R over P plus P over R plus R over Q plus P Q over P. So they are asking us to find out what's the value of this specific expression. So that's what the question is. So the question is how we can actually solve this equation, or not the equations, the solution for this specific problem. So if we ask ourselves the specific question, we can actually observe certain facts about the data that was given. So here is P plus Q plus R. Here is 1 over P. And just observe, when we multiply this P by these terms here, 1 over Q, we get P over Q, which is given here. As well as when we multiply the P by the 1 over R, we get P over R, which was given here as well. So those things were given. At the same time, if you multiply P by 1 over P, you just get 1, there is no need to mention it here. In the sense of like 1, the value of 1 is 1, right? So that doesn't matter as far as the expression is concerned. In the same way, if you multiply Q by the terms that are here, you get Q over P when you multiply, which is here. Then when you multiply Q by 1 over Q, you get 1. Then when you multiply Q by 1 over R, you get Q over 1. So saying these things, we can speculate, or we can ask ourselves what happens when we multiply this expression by this expression. So that's what we would exactly do after this particular point. So if we would multiply both of those expressions, 1 over Q plus 1 over 1. So if you do so, you get P times 1 over P. So you don't have to write all of these things, you can directly write. Just for the sake of clarification, we are writing all of these things here, so as to show clearly what's going on while we are doing it the first time. So there's no need to write these things. So when we write these things, we can observe we just get 1 plus P over Q plus P over R plus Q over P plus 1 plus Q over R plus R over P plus R over Q plus 1. So this is what we would get if you just multiply both of them, which means P plus Q plus R, we know it's 26. 1 over P plus 1 over Q plus 1 over R, we know it is 31. So 26 times 31 would be the value of this whole expression, which is 806, as you can see here. So the whole expression that was given here would be equal to 806. And now our question is not to find out the whole value of this expression, but to find out the sum of these whole 6 terms only, which are actually here. So we just need to find out the sum of these terms, which would be equal to, here is the 1, another 1, another 1. So that means these 6 terms sum plus 3 is equal to 806. That means the sum of these 6 terms which we are focused upon would be R over P plus R over Q, 803. So that's how we wrap up this specific question.